So I've been woofing a number of places since November last year. I started in Scotland and I was on the west coast for months doing a whole number of stuff over winter, woodland management, helping the host set up a lovely garden in their new house. I got to meet some amazing woofers besides myself. Not to say that I'm amazing.
You're right.
and I've made some close friends through it. It's been fantastic. And now I'm here in Shropshire, and it's a hectic time of year. There's a lot of weeds, and there's a lot of stuff to harvest. There's a lot of food, which is great. It's a nice thing to complain about, having too much food and too many plants.